What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some buffalo chicken sandwiches, some spicy chicken sandwiches. Ooh, it's going to be spicy, hot to try it. So, let's trot on and start our stuff, shall we? That's right, baby. The spicy buffalo chicken sandwich, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, it kind of looks like you've already got a hot chick right there. Well, I do, but you don't. So, let's get you something hot like Blanche Devereaux. You know what I'm talking about? So, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get you some chicken, baby, that and put it down on some flour. But this ain't just any old flour. This is not that piranha plant from the Mario Brothers. It ain't going to jump out and bite you. It is just some flour that I put in with this Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. And JC, if you're watching, I finally have learned the way. This is good stuff, man. You weren't lying. So, go ahead and put your flour in there with that Cavender's. Mix it around, and then you put them chicken thighs down in there. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, could you use chicken breast? Could you use chicken wings? Well, you could. But my brother has kind of turned me on to them thighs. They're thick, they're juicy, and I like them thick thighs like Dolly Parton. So, I'm going to go ahead and taste those tonight. Go ahead and put them thighs down in there. You want to roll them around, get them good, and then you're going to get you some oil, baby, and get them hot to try. And I ain't talking about Pennzoil. I'm talking about the real deal. I'm talking about that vegetable. So, go ahead and get that in there, and then we're going to place our little chicken buddies in there and do our sweet, sweet, sweet thing. So, go ahead and get that oil hot and go ahead and put them chickens in there and fry them up, baby. Get them good. You want to set them in there, and you know, we've got that Cavender's on there. Let's just go ahead and add a little bit of extra salt, if you will. You know what I'm talking about. So, and the great thing about these thighs is, you know, you could buy the breast, it's got more meat, you could buy the wing, and honestly the wing is kind of a popular commodity now. Everybody likes wings, that's why they got all these restaurants that are selling beers and wings. You know, I got a beer right here and here buying wings. Look at me, I look like old peacock up there. So, you could do that, but you know, these thighs are usually a little cheaper, and to me, it's a good cut of meat, more economical. Gordon Gekko would be proud. So, once you get your thighs good and fried, go ahead and take them out, and we're going to put them to the side and let them cool down a little bit, because we don't want to go mixing no crazy sauce on there before we let them cool down. We don't want to burn our fingers, not our digits. So, let them cool down, put them in a bowl, and then I want you to get some of that Frank's Red Hot. And you know what they say in the commercial with that little lady, I put that shit on everything. Well, I put it on this. Now, go ahead and get that, and you know, I've got a bunch of thighs and a little bit of sauce because I don't want my shit too runny now. I don't want it too fast. I don't want no Usain Bolt. I want some good. So, we are going to put that sauce down in there, and we are going to mix it around. Do a little dance, baby. Make a little love. Get down tonight. You know what I'm talking about? So, we're going to do that, and then we're going to be ready to assemble, baby, like the Avengers. Now, we're going to take that bun that we got to me, just a regular old bun. You could get the onion bun, you could get a bagel, you could get a croissant. I don't have time for that shit, but I'm going to do this. Now, go ahead and take your bun, flip it open, and then we're going to put what I'm going to call a little seat of lettuce. Not a bed of lettuce, because we don't want to lay down too early. We want to stay up and party all night long like Eddie Murphy. Now, go ahead and take your lettuce, put a little seat down on there, and then let's go ahead and grab that chicken, if you will. Put it right on top, baby. And then, how about a little pickles, just for a little crunch in our lunch or dinner or whatever you want to call it. Now, you can go ahead and add your top bun. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I don't really like spicy food. It kind of burns my culo. So, you could add a little mayonnaise. You could add a little ranch. Anything that you wanted to. To me, I would almost put some jalapenos on it and some bacon and make it even more crazy, like Billy the Kid in Young Guns. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to show you, and you and I are going to have a beautiful view from our naked eye of this beautiful sight, this beautiful bite, this beautiful buffalo chicken sandwich tonight. Ooh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You hear that? Beautiful music. Raining outside like an Usher video, too. Woo! You got it bad, and I want to hang up. Then I call right back, and I get a snack of this last bite and the first bite of this beautiful buffalo chicken sandwich for me, baby. Let me get a handful of it. And you know, this chicken sandwich was so good that I was messing Usher's lyrics all up. And Usher, I'm sorry about that, but you gotta understand, man, this is a beautiful Sammy boy. Whoa! That right there, a classic, baby. You know, a little bit of lettuce. That pickle gives it a little bit of bite. And that Frank's, you know, that's the great thing about that Frank's hot sauce that they got. It's not overpowering. It's got a really good flavor. It's thick, it's juicy, and it's good, just like me. But it's got a great a flavor to it. It's not overly spicy, it doesn't kill you. But it gives you that, whoo, something's going on. So, I want to thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that spicy bite tonight. And I'll see you next time. Excuse.